Welcome to Top Money-Making Methods. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore diverse strategies to help you earn income, whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time venture. This video is for anyone eager to boost their financial independence and discover new opportunities. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of various income streams and how to get started on your wealth-building journey. Let's dive in. Today, we're going to explore 6 diverse money-making methods that you can start pursuing right now. From flexible freelancing to strategic investing, we'll cover various avenues that cater to different skills and interests. We'll delve into the practical steps, essential tools, and key considerations for each method, giving you a solid foundation to choose what works best for you. Let's get started. First up is the world of freelancing and the gig economy. This offers incredible flexibility, allowing you to work on your own terms, set your hours, and choose projects that align with your skills and passions. It's perfect for those who want to escape the traditional 9-to-5 and be their own boss. We'll explore how you can leverage your existing talents to find clients and build a successful freelance career. Key to getting started in freelancing are platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and TaskRabbit. These platforms connect freelancers with clients worldwide, offering a vast array of opportunities across various industries. Upwork is great for professional services, Fiverr is known for its diverse gig offerings, and TaskRabbit focuses on local services. We'll show you how to set up your profiles, create compelling proposals, and stand out in a crowded marketplace. To truly succeed, you'll need to identify in-demand skills, set competitive rates, and master client management. Research current market trends to understand what skills are most sought after, and price your services appropriately to reflect your value and experience. Effective client communication, timely delivery, and professional conduct are crucial for building a strong reputation and securing repeat business. Happy clients lead to more referrals and a thriving freelance career. Next, let's talk about online content creation. This method allows you to turn your passions and expertise into a profitable venture by sharing valuable content with a global audience. Whether you love writing, speaking, or creating videos, there's a platform for you. The beauty of content creation is that it builds an asset that can generate passive income over time, providing a sustainable income stream as your audience grows. Platforms like YouTube, blogging, podcasting, and various social media channels offer diverse avenues for monetization. YouTube is excellent for video content, blogs are perfect for written articles, and podcasts are ideal for audio series. Each platform has its unique audience and monetization strategies, including advertising revenue, sponsorships, and direct sales of products or services. We'll discuss how to choose the right platform for your content and audience. Building an audience and consistently creating high-quality content are paramount for long-term success. Consistency is key to keeping your audience engaged and growing your subscriber base. Focus on providing value, understanding your audience's needs, and adapting your content based on feedback. This iterative process of creation and improvement will help you build a loyal community that supports your monetization efforts. Our third method is e-commerce and dropshipping, which allows you to sell products online without needing to manage inventory directly. Dropshipping, in particular, minimizes your upfront investment, making it an accessible option for aspiring entrepreneurs. You simply set up an online store, market products, and when a sale is made, your supplier ships the item directly to the customer. This model offers incredible scalability and global reach. The initial steps involve setting up your online store and conducting thorough product research. Platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce make it easy to create a professional-looking e-commerce site. Product research is crucial to identify profitable niches and high-demand items. Look for products with good profit margins, low competition, and reliable suppliers. Understanding your target market will guide your product selection and marketing efforts. Success in e-commerce hinges on effective marketing and excellent customer service. Utilize social media marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, and paid advertising to drive traffic to your store. Building trust with your customers through responsive support, clear communication, and efficient order fulfillment is vital for repeat business and positive reviews. A strong brand presence and customer satisfaction will set you apart in the competitive e-commerce landscape. Now let's explore investing, a powerful method for growing your wealth over time. Investing involves allocating your money to assets that you expect to increase in value or generate income. This can range from traditional stocks to emerging cryptocurrencies. The key is to understand the risks and rewards associated with each investment vehicle and align them with your financial goals and risk tolerance. The stock market, real estate, and cryptocurrency are 3 major investment avenues. The stock market offers liquidity and potential for significant returns, but also volatility. Real estate provides tangible assets, potential for rental income, and long-term appreciation, though it requires more capital and management. Cryptocurrencies are volatile, but offer high growth potential for those willing to take on more risk. Diversification across these assets can help mitigate risk. Understanding risk, diversification, and long-term strategies are crucial for successful investing. Never invest more than you can afford to lose, and diversify your portfolio across different asset classes to reduce overall risk. Focus on long-term growth rather than short-term gains, and regularly review and adjust your investments as your financial situation and market conditions change. Consider consulting a financial advisor to create a personalized investment plan. Our fifth method is creating and selling digital products and courses. This allows you to leverage your expertise and create passive income streams by sharing your knowledge. Digital products require upfront effort, but once created, they can be sold repeatedly without additional inventory costs. This model is incredibly scalable and can reach a global audience, making it a highly attractive option for experts and educators. You can create and sell a variety of digital products, including ebooks, templates, online courses, and digital art. Ebooks are great for sharing in-depth knowledge. Templates simplify tasks for others, and online courses offer structured learning experiences. Platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, and Gumroad make it easy to host and sell your digital creations. Focus on creating high-quality, valuable content that solves a problem for your audience. Identifying a niche, understanding your target audience, and effective marketing are key to success. Research specific pain points and needs within your chosen niche to create products that truly resonate. Tailor your marketing messages to attract your ideal customers, using social media, email marketing, and content marketing to reach them. Building a strong brand and providing excellent customer support will encourage sales and positive reviews. Finally, let's explore affiliate marketing, a popular way to earn passive income by promoting other people's products or services. You earn a commission each time someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link. This method requires no product creation, inventory management, or customer service, making it an excellent entry point for those new to online earning. It's all about connecting the right products with the right audience. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products and choosing the right affiliate programs. Start by selecting products or services that you genuinely believe in and that align with your niche or audience. Look for programs with competitive commission rates and good customer support. Major platforms include Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and ClickBank. Understanding the product, its benefits, and its target audience will help you promote it authentically and effectively. Effective promotion relies on strong content strategies. This can involve creating product reviews, comparison guides, tutorials, or engaging social media posts. The goal is to provide valuable information that helps your audience make informed purchasing decisions. Build trust with your audience by being transparent about your affiliate links and providing honest recommendations. Consistent, high-quality content that genuinely helps your audience will drive traffic and conversions. There you have it, 6 powerful money-making methods to help you achieve financial independence. From the flexibility of freelancing and the creativity of content creation, to the scalability of e-commerce, the growth potential of investing, the passive income of digital products, and the accessibility of affiliate marketing, there's a path for everyone. Remember to start small, learn continuously, and be persistent. Your financial journey begins now. Thanks for watching, and good luck.